Aloha Stampers, I'm Cheryl Hamilton and I'm back with another fun fold card. This one I'm calling a hinge fold because, where's my card? It has this little flap and it's like a door hinge. So I just decided to call it that. It's really cute and easy. So I hope you'll stay tuned to see how this is done. I'm making 3 cards for my class like I always do. This one is, where's the thing? Okay, so this one I use the boho indigo set for the design series paper, which is really pretty, and I used a new set called Seaside View for the little chair and everything. And this would be really pretty colored or not. I thought it was a nice masculine card, or either way. But anyway, it just opens like that. And the 2 other cards we'll be doing for class, or if you'd like to get a kit to go, that's great. You can always do that if you see a class you want. Just let me know before the class time so I can prep it. This second one, I use the, this is from a Christmas designer series paper, the poinsettia. And I was gonna start with a Christmas card and I changed my mind. I just thought this is really pretty. And some kind of berries, I guess they're holly berries or something, but they stamp so nicely. And it's a 2-step stamping, you know, where you first do the soft suede, and then the berries are really easy to see where to put them because they have the photopolymer stamp set and you can see right through there. And added some pretty little gems on there. This thank you is really, I just wanted something kind of classy looking like this card, and I got it from another new set I haven't really tried out yet called Borders Abound. I want to do something really pretty with the borders, but I like the font and the thank you. The third one is this cute little turtle. I've been looking at him and that giraffe and the sloth. Look at this one. Yeah, I think a lot of you might have this already back on your feet. It's really a cute set, and but I finally got it and just paired it with this called Plaid Tidings paper. It has lots of plaid with Christmas ones and stuff, but look at this color. Isn't that neat? It's got Melon Mambo and the mango. Is it Mango Melody? I think so. I don't know. I always get that wrong. Here it is. Yeah, Mango Melody. Okay. And so this is the third one we'll be doing. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. So again, here's the card we'll be making, a hinge fold. And I'll start out with Night of Navy. Oops. So it's cut at 5.5 by 7.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So it's got a little bit cut off there. Let me just fold it. And you can see how there's just, you know, I've cut a little bit of it off. Cut designer series paper, 2 7/8 times by 5 1/8. And I'm using the boho blossoms, and stick that on the front. And this paper is really beautiful. It's just basically blue and white or vanilla. I think it's navy, and it's also the Misty Moonlight, but it's really pretty, really pretty, what are they called, images and flowers in there. So you glue that on, and then, let me see, let me grab my trimmer for this. I cut a piece for the inside that's 4 by 5 1/4. That's going to fit right on the inside. And then I've cut out with that stitch nested labels dies. I've cut the largest one out in Night of Navy, and then the second largest one in Berry Vanilla. So first I'm going to take the Night of Navy, let me see. Okay, and put it at 3 3/4 on my trimmer. So you can see I'm setting it, making sure it's up against there so it's straight. It's right at 3 3/4 right there. And make sure you don't cut it. You're using your score blade, the light gray one and not the dark one. So there I'm scoring it, as you can see. And while I'm in here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Very Vanilla one. This one I'm gonna cut. So I'm putting it in the paper trimmer with the... So I'll put some glue on this hinge right here. And I'm gonna glue it right in the middle and with the score line right up against the edge. And I think that's pretty much the middle, yeah. So put it down, and then I'm ready to stick it on the inside of my card. You guys can tell this is a pretty simple fun fold. Some of mine are a little bit crazy and they take forever. And so I like to alternate the difficult ones with really simple ones. Okay, so there you go. And then this part, I'm gonna stamp on first. So I'm just gonna use Night of Navy. And like I said, I'm using this set called Seaside View. And just grabbing this, I just thought this was a really pretty image. Definitely could be a Hawaii image. And I'm doing it to the right because I'm going to put my sentiment over there. Now on my card, I did Enjoy Your Retirement, but I had somebody request a birthday. So I grabbed a birthday one. I'm gonna, sorry, I always go too far down. Here you go. There, it's pretty straight. I've got little birds. When you're stamping things like that, I did get a little teeny mark, but I don't think it's enough to worry about. But don't stamp so hard that you squish it. It'll definitely, you'll probably get some of these shadows like right there if I press too hard. Like, look, if I press really, really hard, see how it has that? I can't see real well because I have it a little bit far away from you. But if you press too hard, see it kind of gets the shadow around it. You don't really need to. You can, I'm going to clean it. When I clean it on one side, scrub it on the other, and then before I stamp, I always go like this a little bit, because see how there's a little bit right there? That's my method. I just want it to be really clean. But see how I just tap it? I can't see, sorry. I tap it really lightly, and then I just go straight down and up, and it makes a really nice crisp image. Okay, you have to hold it for a second. Okay, so I'm basically done with this card. Don't forget to decorate your envelopes. Anyway, I'm putting this cut edge right up to where my fold line is there. And putting it down. See, pretty easy, huh? And if you want to, you could color, you could color the whole thing. I'll grab, this is a light balmy blue, just to see what it looks like when I color the chair. But it's real pretty, just plain too. What's that? I can't figure out what this thing is, you guys. Oh, it's the other leg. Ugh. It just looked like it was kind of a bench coming out. Okay, I'm glad I figured that out. And then I've got a light night of navy, but I'll do a quick table and then I'll let you guys go, because it's hard to stop. I do like using these blends. Okay, so there you go. I hope you guys try making one of these, and let me know if you want to join me in at the class. It's going to be Monday. I have a morning and afternoon, and also I'm happy to send you the class to go kits. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.